Hi everyone. First of all, we would like to thank you all for the overwhelming response we have received so far on the 30 days of Google Cloud program. Unfortunately, the program deadline has been preponed to 30th of September, that is today. We have heard that a lot of you were facing issues while enrolling in this program. So, here we are addressing all of your queries. So, let's get started. So here you can find our custom links page. Simply click on the hashtag 30 days of Google Cloud and it will redirect you to the main events.withgoogle.com page. Simply scroll down in this page and click on enroll in this program. In here, you can register in this program from this button. Once again, please note that the last date of enrollment is today itself. Okay, so once you have clicked the button, it will redirect you to this Google form. Fill up this Google form as shown below. You will need to accept the terms and conditions. Okay, so once you have done that, you have to enter your full name, your email ID, select your gender, and the shipping address. Your t-shirt size, institution. So in institution, you need to choose Academy of Technology. Year of graduation, you have to fill in your year of graduation. You have to confirm that you have a working internet connection with at least Chrome browser. Okay, so now you have to mention if you have a pre-existing Quick Labs account on that given email address or not. So if you already have one, go ahead and choose yes. For now, we will assume that you don't have a Quick Labs account. So no. Next. Okay, now go ahead and follow this URL in order to create your own Quick Labs account. Click on join. Okay, so join. Here we are going to use our Gmail account, but if you are planning to use a different account, then feel free to fill up this form. Yep, the DSCOT account. You have to accept the terms and services and prove that you're not a robot. Okay, I believe I'm not a robot. So yep, we have joined into Quick Labs. Please verify. Yep, I verify that I have an existing Quick Labs account right now. Yeah, and this is the last page. Note that you need to follow these 5 steps properly. If you are not following them properly, you might not be enrolled in the program. So let's go ahead. We are already logged into Quick Labs, so we can go ahead and start from the second link. So a tour of Quick Labs. Yep, so this is our first lab using Quick Labs. We can skip the video and yeah. Okay, so apparently we need to sign in again. So go ahead and start doing this lab. When you start this lab, from the time you are starting this lab, you have to be present in this lab, like within this screen of the lab, for at least 15 minutes. Otherwise it's not getting registered properly. So you should not do anything else. You should properly focus on this lab. You can go ahead and complete this entire thing. Yep, so once you're done with your entire Quick Lab, you can just go ahead and sign out from that account and end your lab. So go ahead and click on this link, the /mylearning link, and yep, you will find that the list of all the labs you have completed, and this is the main link, view public profile. So when you are clicking it, you can make the profile public And yeah, so this is the main link you should be worried about: google.quicklabs.com/public profiles/ this is your profile ID. Okay, so go ahead, select this, copy it, and go to the form and paste here. And yeah, so our link definitely looks like this. So you have to acknowledge, and voila. So now you have completed filling up your form for the 30 days of Google Code Challenge. Now all you have to do is to keep a watch on your inbox for an email from google.com. The mail will contain your invite link. Note that it may take up till 24 hours to receive the mail. So hey, once you have completed filling up your form, you need to wait for some time. After that, you will get this exact same email from noreply@google.com, and it will have the link to get your credits. Okay, so you need to click on this URL and you have to complete the lab. You have to follow these steps, and if you face any issue, you can reach out to DSC support@quicklabs.com for any help. Also, when you're doing this specific lab to get your 600 credits, please be sure that you have done that entire lab and like you are on that screen for at least 15 minutes. After that, within 24 hours, the 600 credits will be credited to your account.